A wrench that makes a tough job just a job. The thumb-activated trigger lets you open the spring-loaded, serrated jaws with one hand. Gripping teeth lock on and twist fasteners with 13 times more gripping power, reducing slippage. The two-position slide adjusts to fit small and large fasteners or pipes, and it fits both standard and metric hex bolts. The Extreme Grip 12-inch breaker wrench. Craftsman when it matters.
Poppies helps you remove popcorn texture to give your ceiling a clean, modern look. Using Poppies is easy. To get started, attach Poppies to a standard threaded pole. Then attach Poppies to a shop vacuum. A 1 1/4-inch hose adapter may be needed. Ensure the Poppies blade is attached securely. Next, use a garden sprayer filled with plain water to spray about a 5-foot square section of the ceiling. Let the water absorb into the texture for a few minutes. Now you're ready to turn on your vacuum. Position Poppies at a 45-degree angle and scrape in long strokes over the damp area. Scrape from the middle of the ceiling out towards the edge of the room. Once the center of the room is complete, adjust your blade to the left or right to scrape the ceiling edges. If necessary, you can detach the pole and use the hand grip and a step ladder for more precision scraping. Finally, empty the shop vacuum when it's full and replace Poppies blades as needed. Repeat this process anywhere you want popcorn texture removed. Once all texture is removed and the ceiling is dry, you're ready to finish your ceiling with a clean, modern look.
A new take on an old standard. The new Craftsman 25-foot Sidewinder tape measure. Standard measuring tapes stand straight up, causing them to frequently tip over while in use. With the Sidewinder, the patented design rotates the tape to lay flat, making it the most stable tape measure on the market, exclusively from Craftsman. The steel rear tang provides increased stabilization and allows you to make repetitive layout marks based on a given distance, rather than pulling out the length of the tape and doing difficult math. And easy-to-read tape makes reading fractions a breeze. The auto blade lock makes the job easy, automatically locking in place so the tape only retracts when you want it to. And a convenient writable surface helps you keep track of measurements. New Craftsman 25-foot Sidewinder tape measure. Craftsman, when it matters.
Moving boxes today are flimsy and difficult to put together, requiring a lot of time using extra tools like messy tape and unsafe box cutters. Make every move easier with Banker's Box Smooth Move moving boxes. Every Smooth Move box is constructed for strength and durability to keep content secure throughout your move. Unlike other moving boxes, our fast fold tape-free design allows you to assemble boxes quickly and close them without the hassle of packing tape. The sturdy handles make lifting Smooth Move boxes on moving day a cinch. The clear choice in moving boxes stacks up easily against the competition. And you can choose from 3 different sizes for all your moving needs. Banker's Box Smooth Move moving and storage boxes for your smoothest move ever.